This is an original Cerevo LiveShell unit, and you can see on the side it has an Ethernet connector for the network, but it's also capable of working with Wi-Fi if you plug in a Wi-Fi adapter using a USB dongle. And I bought this used, and it didn't come with a USB dongle. And I have hunted down and tracked one down that actually works. And there is the FCC ID and everything on it. Here's the device on eBay, $4.95 US. The magic here is that the Cerevo looks for that particular chipset, the RTL8191S chip. I gleaned that from looking at the FCC ID info for the Cerevo module and ordered one of these on spec, and it does indeed find it and work with it.